This is 10 degrees outside and I am really worried about the cold because I didn't get the flu shot yet. So I'm hoping that it doesn't come out totally out of the blue. So I have applied the sunscreen. I'm using this one. This is really good. It has 50 plus SPF and this is Hawaiian Tropic Silk Hydration. This is working well for me, but this is probably well established for all of the skin types because I don't want to confuse myself with the skin because my skin is so sensitive. I do not want it to get confused by any products or anything because I am having hard time absorbing all of these new products and everything. So last couple of months I didn't get any much of a chance to take care of my skin. I mean, I keep having some trouble with my ankles with the allergic reaction or something. So I do not have any allergies though, but I don't know why this keep happening. But yeah, now I am it's getting under control. So I hope that cold doesn't burn out everything I worked hard for nowadays. So I am applying makeup. As you can see, I'm not touching my eyes because I have little medical issues. And now I'm going to use the compact powder. And I really hope this goes away. I normally don't do cuts, so this is kind of like if I have really want to give very high makeup look or something like that, and as I'm not already wearing my eye makeup, so I'm not going to so that's why I'm going to apply much of what I can gather for my skin so that it gives the pretty look vibes, you know, as I'm not touching my eyes or anything, so I can really try out the makeup look well. So I kind of thought that why not I am going to show you guys the no eye makeup pretty look, and it could be a kind of a chance for you guys to apply whenever you think that you are in your early schedule. If you have the whole day of work and everything and you do not have much of time and you have the party at night or at evening and you have to hurry up, you have to done your makeup on time in sufficient time or something like that, you can totally go with this. I'm using my Forever Sunscreen lip balm. It has smoothing coconut flavor in it, so it doesn't feel like really some of the time I have noticed that when we are using kind of skin products, it has one of those, even though the makeup products, it has one of those like really chemically smell, which really disturbs me. Not really disturbs me, but I don't like it near me actually, because it doesn't give, it's better that I do not have any smell in my product at all because it's healthy, but chemically smells kind of bums me out because I do not feel like I'm wearing any medicine or something like that, because no one likes medicine. So I want to stay away from those smells and everything. So it's not, I will recommend. I want to use something really peachy, so I am going to go with something like coral, salmon, like kind of features of that. So I am going to use Fancy Guest and I'm fine. Fancy Guest and I'm fine. I am going to use this on the base like this. And I am going to use I'm fine on the top. This orthodontics, which has really glittery and kind of like beach vibes, which I really appreciate on my as my highlighter. So I'm going to use that. I'm going to use some of my nose. One of the favorite thing of this beach highlighter is beach goldeny kind of highlighter is that you can use as highlighter, but it won't give away that neutral vibe, you know. If I have wear the golden base, I wouldn't have used this highlighter, but as I have not, so I'm going to use it very well. Yeah. See, you wouldn't believe that I have went out with all of the layers. I have to go for it because those are my comfort palette. Like, really, it feels like that pink and nudes suits everyone, especially me. So it is one of my comfort palette, you know, to work with. It is my go-to palette sometimes because most of my clothes are similar to those. Or if I want to contrast something, I can totally go with bold colors like purple, like chocolatey, like really dark brown, dark purple. I can really go with those colors. Little bit of winey. I really can go with those, but pink and nude color is one of my go-to colors, even especially when I came to Australia. I don't know why I'm using these two palettes so much. No idea. I'm not going to keep it real red colors because I want something real different. Still, I don't want really like orangey vibe, so I'm not going to bother this color anymore, because it can totally go with my no eye makeup look. It won't give it away, like it won't be like dull or washing away my face or something like that. But I really hope it goes away so that I can do my makeup properly. Finger crossed. Let's see what happens. And I am going to do the rest of them. So this is the final look. I have wear this hijab, and I'm going to leave the tutorial in my next video. So if I have done it already, you can find it on hijab tutorial playlist. So now I have wear this beautiful rose gold colored ring, this watch, this beautiful flower 3D bracelet, and this pinkish golden base ring. So I am going to use Viva La Juicy as my perfume, and I have found this miniature version. I mean, one of those time, like, I cannot say that how long ago, like 8 years ago, no, 6 years ago, I have got this miniature versions of beautiful, this gorgeous, the things cute. So this is great to carry on your pouch, your bags and everything. If you're traveling or anything, you can totally keep in your purse. It could be your handbags, it could be your clutches, and anything you are carrying on. So, and it has beautiful sweet notes, like really peachy jasmine kind of a tone, and I really love this. I didn't use this miniatures. I have like 13 of them, and one of them got poured out by accident when I was carrying luggages. So yeah, that was a brutal accident for me, because I really stored them for my vlogging days, store them for my upcoming days or something like that. I was kind of thinking like, no, I cannot use this because I need something special to use this out, and I didn't do it. But now I think that I should use this out, because after that incident, I think that anything can happen, or anything could be poured down or lost or something like that. But before that, I want to use it up, and I am going to keep it with me. And I really love this. I wish I could let you smell it. If anyone has this Viva La Juicy from Juicy Couture, you can you know that how sweet these notes are and how wonderful this when you are wearing it. I cannot stop wearing this. I mean, you can literally see how much I am pouring onto me. So this is so favorite to me. I love sweet notes in my perfumes. I mean, it's okay to have the spicy notes sometimes. Yeah, I have spicy notes, but I lose my mind when I got the sweet notes of my perfume, and I am totally up for it. If you have any recommendation to give it to me, I really would love to know. And this is my final looks, and I wish I could show you. 1 minute. Yeah, this is the final look of my wardrobe. This has beautiful embroidery work all over the dupatta. This is the end of it, and this is so big that I can carry it like this, you know. It will look like a sari, but not really. And this will give totally the vibe, and I love it. I love this. And I am going to see you guys in my next video. So take care. Bye bye. Have a nice day.